me with that set mirror. Set mirror with that. Set mirror with set.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Parry. Blessed day to you. Set mirror with them. Set mirror with set. Been here for about a few hours well now. Just turn on my camera, so what am I there, do? I get some cornmeal dumpling put together. We're gonna be making some food. Is Uncle Murphy here?
Right here. Parry, pick up on yourself. Take good care of yourself.
Yeah.
All the best.
That behind the camera. Say, I know.
Yeah, man, I'm behind the camera.
I not see shoe. Yeah, I not see shoe from me come, so. Yeah, me come here today with salt mackerel. And me the one piece of renter, but him not die and pay rain up here. I call him phone and me not get him. So me I make cornmeal. We're making a cooking video. We're making cornmeal dumplings. Uncle Murphy cook breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
Yeah, and boiled banana. Yeah, we have to find food when we come here, so. Banana cut through down all about the brush. We got brush. I just dig we can go dig the renter. I renter come in a country here. Next clip. Finish Uncle Murphy butter down and show them the butter part, Murphy.
See the butter part here?
That's what we call butter. When you see you cut your
you
breadfruit
drop on
and
the
it's
butter.
like that, yeah. You don't heat that.
You can cut it out.
Yeah. Should know what I did. Because consider this in a shoe house, you know. I'm in a business. If you not catch me before me left here, sorry for me going with you. Sorry for you. Yeah, helping. I like the breadfruit fry over and then fry up some breadfruit when you are at town. And I say them ride my stomach. I like my breadfruit just roast and me eat it.
So I like my breadfruit
I
now.
like the fry over business, brother. I guess it's because we didn't really do it a lot when we were kids back here. No, we didn't. We have too much of it. So when whatever leave back, and we always have pig. Whatever leave back are for the pigs. We never have a breadfruit, no sir. We just eat. We used to just eat with breadfruit roast. Just fresh, you know. So me just grow that way then. Me not too fancy bread. Because when you roast it and fry it over, it's more gassy, you know.
Yeah.
It becomes lighter.
Eat anyhow. Anyway.
I like my breadfruit like that, full when it cook. And even fuller too, even fuller. When my breadfruit cook and it wax it, full breadfruut, yes, so I like my breadfruit. So we are going to give it some breadfruit, some cornmeal dumpling here, my dough. And we have some banana there, so that will depend mackerel there in a salt water, in a lime water soak. You didn't want one in a sour orange, but the sour orange tree there, we are up naturally.
Yeah, man.
Up the slippery parry place wet. The sun just come out now, and so the sun come out and blow it up, it come back down. But we are rolling on. I don't see about show, and I look at me anytime you see return time. Everywhere we know she's been gone and lady. In the nice a Sunday and gone for oxtail and rice and peas. I'm telling you somebody that come in the week and but we just direct the switch and come today.
I think so. I'm not sure.
You want to put that in there?
Breadfruit, them and the dumpling, them are cooking, I see. Apparently I put in dumpling now. Because I'm going to take out some of my water, you know, okay? Too much water did in there. And when I done, we just start putting the dumpling, them and banana. If you go in there. Because I wonder this is one breadfruit here full of peppers and it never be. Yeah, man, see a whole heap of space. Pass on my teacup there, so I take out some of my water. People are pet and powder breadfruit, you see how them float up on the top. Yeah. So gas, breadfruit. But them have to boil now, so till when the water, it absorb the water, then it sink and go back at bottom. But breadfruit has also gas.
I guess.
Oh, you think I nice up? You never want one peg
you never eat that I'm hungry.
Diarrhea to a eternal home.
I tell you.
Oh. Make it start, but No salt in this, you know, boy. Pass it, sir.
Yeah.
You think salt in there, you know?
No, that turn me turn idiot. I get carried away, party. I say, what? No, here we go on. Alright, show them a pot, right? You see, I should have shown them when me ashes the pot. You see? Next time me I cook on wood fire, me I go show them how we grow for ashes our pot. You did that, man. What me do with it? Oh, when we are ashes pot, you know,
pot, oh.
you wash it, wash out your pot first.
Yes.
And then you wet up your pot outside, or if you want, wet up the ashes and make the ashes like the little whatever.
Yeah.
And ashes the pot and put it on the wood fire without no liquid in it.
No.
Then the heat will bake on the ashes on the top, on the pot. You see how when that's come off and it done? 2 tools, you know, this easy for wash off. You know?
Yes,
We never go for use not more than ashes. Ashes we use, brother. But Parry no can comment. You say I see upon his side, ask Terence, said Terence said Debbie see pot. Me say yeah, so we grow. I saw me teach him, you know, when the time I know not more than anything there, you know, I teach him. Alright, we are going to salt with pot. The brush here then soon cook brush here full. Up here cold till the salt, clumpy salt can't even come out. Papa God Almighty boy. If you go get 2 and duvet up here, if me decide to come up here, come. Can't manage. No salt in there too tough, you know, try to get out some. Because Mr. that's too much salt. Me run around with my salt intake. So when you see me I drop salt, me know what me I do. Sometimes the camera tell lie. Me taste here. Yeah man, good cooking. I put a little bit more because mackerel I go have little pickle yes in it. So too much salt. This is too much salt. I want put a pot of brush and dumpling. That's enough salt for me. Because some people don't put more. But two we are going to eat salt mackerel.
And put in the banana.
Yeah, put in the nana them now. Tease up the wood them round a corner there. Tease them up the wood them because if them scatter out them now.
Tease up wood.
Yeah, I could push them up together.
No.
Oh, sir. Uncle Murphy, the banana they look like them tough so. One coming and start, you know, you see how the pot around? It needs a woman's touch to share in the plan right here, so right now. You see how, wake up, Daddy. Murphy, you have more banana there?
No.
Alright, where we are going to put that at? This look like we are going to black pot.
Yeah, we'll take out some.
No, I mean, water, yeah, we'll give me 1 teacup, yeah. Uncle Murphy, we are putting in a thing. Alright, so Parry. Uncle Murphy, I say you catch up the pot. So, yeah man, so breadfruit ready. Banana and dumpling there, but boy Murphy, I want to drop from me, because I bus ball today. And the black broke. So food there, so pot water nice and pretty, yeah. So we like cook with food, we don't like when the food have the ugly color. And see mackerel around the corner, I will scald off some mackerel. No. So I just scald it off one time, because the food pot, me taste it, just kind of really freshish. So I don't mind it, so. Just scald off the mackerel one time, so. I have 1 onion and some scallion. Tomato where I use, so I don't have tomato yet today. So when we are at that point, we'll return. I feel sleepy, honestly. I feel like I want to go sleep, and I'm also hungry. So tell me, when you are hungry and feeling sleepy at the same time, tell me what to do first. Remember, you know, in the comment section, when you feel sleepy and you're definitely hungry, tell me which one what you do first. If you're back out the hungry and go sleep, or you eat food with your belly full and go sleep. Me hungry Parry and the mackerel already, and me I show you something. I forgot them days. When me come from school and hungry, and mama know me hungry, and you know you should know say you pick me, you know? You see me? She just do so. So salty look like it too much for me right now. Me not pick me again. Here. And then the time they still a coconut tile or little crane oil. And put little tip, little chops. And the breadfruit with little salt. Yeah? Anybody remember this comment and tell me you come from school and hungry? No, mama, never eat no lunch, you know. I'm hungry. See there? Oil and salt and boiled breadfruit. Come in. And walk. Oil and salt and boiled breadfruit. Put on by the camera. You have any? Oil and salt. See there? You never in here. Throw a little oil. Put the salt on it. Throw a little oil. Rub it up. And the gas. Anywhere the gas there, as it come up, so it just drop back on it. Me remember them days. All she a big smaddy. Anybody come hungry. Really hungry. Those days, me know somebody must tell you recommend. When you breadfruit time. She must do it to the breadfruit, because breadfruit cook and soft like that. Okay, your head feel light as you drop down in your stomach. I don't know because your head feel light when you're hungry. You feel better. So we have some onions and bird pepper and scallion. And we got some vinegar and black pepper on the inside. Uncle Murphy over there, I debone the mackerel, or I pick up the mackerel. And look right there, show them that. We find our next White House banana, jump. Where they just broke down, or whatever, breeze blow it down, and it full of, I don't say, I nature them always blow down and full of ground. So we'll carry them some for make porridge. So I know I'll not hot, you know, but me I go and put it in right here, so, because why they would them, they not go and good. You don't know more you defeat the fire turn bad man, the fire weak, brother. Time cold in a Paris.
So move
the part and fall up the fire?
The iron. Move the iron.
Move the iron? And put it down flat?
Flat on the wood.
Alright. Alright, we'll do that, Parry. Alright, Parry, look at things that go on there. So look at fry are go on. Uncle Murphy still out there, so I get out the bone. Uncle Murphy will give one of them mackerel bone. You throw them already? The big one?
Yeah, I put the bone, sir.
Yeah. May I look at mackerel bone here? It's a mackerel bone. Can't forget where I come from, brother. Not at all. Look at story now go on your mirth today. Pass the vinegar and the black pepper. What Jesus? Me have to bend over my back, I have to make a wood fire. But look here. I don't make no wood. They put in the vinegar. So the vinegar take root in the onion. Put in the mackerel burn. The mackerel get free. I put in the water there, yeah? So me say, them rowness is me I got eliminate the wood fire from rowness, so me now make up no wood fire here. I have plants around here, so I have to deal with something right around here. So I go and bend me back lucky or something now, you know?
Them not understand.
No, them not understand how I go on, because maybe they think I saw it all stay forever, but so my thing not loud like that, you know?
Yeah.
Time I go come and you know see me around here, so I cook nothing. You see, so all you have to do just watch just follow the buzzer and watch where I go on from the Jamaican dead train. And when I come on, we not go around here, so I cook. We even cook on wood fire and around here, so. Right, man?
Oh, true.
So, we have to go and bend my back the clay off now. It look good, you know? You the pan it, eh? Yes, sir. You find one pot cover. And cover it now. Let me put a little more. This say, boy, no look bad at all without the tomato. Me, Marv?
I tell you.
Alright, that good. So, me the backyard party, me a dish that I feed dad. I'm going to go eat in the night, kids them home and cook. I not travel with no food nice on the gas city, that I feed dad. Uncle Murphy, you see we plate them door. And mean business here, this is for Uncle Murphy. And me had the short shoe food cover up in here. When he come in, when he come in, he find him food. The house can't lock up now, so. I don't know me have to find somebody to tell him, say, if you come in my house when he come, I have to go left for a message. I have to go left for a message with somebody. And this is a show. I don't know where a party them are. They all about where you are. When he come and say food cook and left in your feet, me must mad. Because I'm not looking for all the rain and then sitting there, you must see now look for me. Alright, so. It like my mother, and I always left for me one hand dish up myself last. So. It's a Uncle Murphy that had that, this a shoe. Dad and shoe can stay upon the same level, you know, because them a slim man. Alright, so Parry, me I do look good. Dish in here, I make sure, as a mother used to dish, you know. Anything you do to one, you do it to first. Alright? The nana then tough. This is a one full of ground. You jump out, you jump out, and we just round the corner this and we just see it round there. We never bother cut none. We just use some ice, so it kind of tough. When it come out of the water and the breeze catchy.
Yeah, tough.
Tougher any old building block. You believe a joke?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then full of gum, but sometimes I keep my boy can't eat him and nothing to do him, man. How are your Uncle Murphy? You are the big. Where this fly come from? Watch it. Dad? You look one like you have done Bixby for me to boy. When Bush will reach a banana, you know, I can't be lost. Me want them should have left him banana in the water.
In the water, man.
Yeah, man.
That me I say me should have left him banana in the water. And when the dumpling look like them, it in a bag right there, so look behind you. You can't use sanitary fork, you have to use metal fork, you know. How much dumpling you want, boy? Dad? One dumpling you want? You sure? The banana them tough, you know. So you good with that?
Yeah.
Me have put back shoe the banana them in the water.
No, want the next one.
If you want the next one, you take it. Okay. Let's also take shoe banana them and let the banana in the water. Me I take me that eat out of. Same so me I put my food in there. Oh, that's nasty, really? And you're young body, you know, no stam, yeah? If it doesn't the camera on. See the one here, that I fit that one. Me not the more than dumpling, that one is. Me not the more than breadfruit, yeah, me mean. This I fit dad, and this I fit shoe. Me I go cover up shoe one.
Yes, sir. See it?
Yeah. Paris, if you know one, I don't want more than dumpling, yeah. No, the breadfruit. Me not eat no more breadfruit. Me 2 peg already. Come, dad. Show them for your one, dad. Dad said if you want the next one off camera and take
Thank
it.
you, man. Thank you.
You're very welcome, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Papa Jesus Parry, we are going to feed with face. Let me take up 2 more of them bird pepper. You are a part then. Bird pepper 3, take time I go home, pound. Rain fall like a juice here today and wash them off. Country life. If you don't know storm, you cannot live in the country. Next. Barry.
Barry, you see that?
Where are the plate down to me? Match up that.
Feel like a whistle.
See me round that go. Me have a pan with me, don't want more dumpling. Show them a plate, dad. Cause you know that is because you're the do like you're dinner like you're not eat. Barry, yeah.
Yes, Barry.
When you come then time of year, I know Barry, you don't want to ice down them sitting down like me. Right on the water and I jump. I run that pipe there, it come like ice. So, you don't want to ice, you don't want to ice water, you don't want nothing at all. But you just drink some room temperature water, cold, you want that cold.
Water cold.
Yeah, man.
Like that more fish.
Well, I finish up Mount Island. Next clip.